There are few animals who truly appear as friendly as the beluga does, and I think that shows through in this figure. Safari LTD captured that beautifully. Now, I couldn't find this animal for sale on their site. You might be able to get it on Amazon if you're interested. Let's get started, shall we? Paint job. Not a lot of paint other than white and pinkish peach color for the mouth. Oh, pink for the mouth. But it's done amazingly well and it looks great. I'm giving this figure a 10 out of 10. Sculpt. Like I said in the intro, the beluga looks great. There are a couple of things that are on the beluga that just don't make any sense to me. Maybe someone else can explain it to me. Let's take a look, shall we? One is that I have no idea what that's supposed to be. I'm hoping that's not something that was done here at the house. Second is that little indentation. I don't know if that's the way it came or if that is something that was done here. But either way, it is going to maybe cost the beluga. I was going to lower the score on it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 for sculpt because, I mean, come on. Look at that smile. I love this figure. Realism. I love this figure. And as I'm typing up the script, I'm looking at the figure and I find it really amazing. Sorry. My favorite part is the melon. If you don't know what the melon is this area right here. It's really well shaped. The blowhole is there. It's that little smiley looking thing. And the face, well, that face, what can you say? And realism, it gets a 10 out of 10. Today we are starting almost a month of nothing but aquatic animals for our reviews. So if you like aquatic animals or marine animals, then this is going to be a great month for you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.